Give me just about a second and I'll explain this when we sit down. Thank you very much.
Thank you, buddy. Take care.
You too. So, this is the whole thing that happened. So I took off for a while. And the thing was, right after I took off, this entire quarantine started. And the only thing that I've been doing is literally being at home and going to work. So I took off just because I didn't know exactly what I was doing, number one, but also because I literally just had to stop. So I'm back here. I went to, obviously by now, if I upload you already know that I went to Hawaii with my family. And so, the reason why I had to make this is because something came up and I don't know exactly what's going to happen at this point. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, so I'm gonna bring you with me for like, I don't know if it's gonna be today or if it's gonna be a few days where I'm gonna have to put this together, but I'm gonna bring you with me because this is going to be very, very interesting. This is way further in the future. Like this video was supposed to be uploaded a long time ago, but let me just explain this because I'm editing this video and none of it makes any sense at all. My mom was going crazy about following these accounts of golden retrievers, and so every single day, just like she would constantly talk about how they're so similar to each other and they're so funny and they're so cute. And so this was going on for like at least I want to say like a month of where she was obsessed with it. And so obviously any of my previous videos that I have on my channel is my sister's dog. His name is Dominic. He's a golden retriever and she loves seeing him all the time. But the thing is, she was to the point of where she kind of wanted a dog. She said she doesn't want a dog, but she definitely does. So this is not my choice, but I will say that everybody else in my family wanted to get another golden retriever. And so everybody decided, let's get a golden retriever. We'll get a tiny little puppy. And so this is where this is leading on to. And so now this will make sense. Hello, how big guy?
Oh my god. I still got my dad.
Hi there. Look at him.
I wonder if she thinks that's a collar. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, say hello. Oh, baby. Look, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Toby, come here. Come here, Toby. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi, Toby. Hello, Toby.
Did you see that video of tree reinforcement though? I don't like tree. Oh, who's that though?
Thumb, look behind
Are
her.
you guarding the cow? What are you doing down there?
Hey,
What are you doing?
hello. Look, he wants.
He's trying to jump. He's trying to get it.
What are you
He's-
doing? What are you doing?
Come on, man.
Hey, you. Hey, Toby. Oh, look. Hello. Hello. Hi, Toby. Good morning. Good morning, Toby.